Isle Tennoz. Hello everyone, not hello, good evening. I'm Energy. Today, I'll explain about Tennoz Isle. It is a city block on the waterfront of Shinagawa Ward. There are about 200,000 square meters, and the entire area has been reclaimed. Commercial facilities, office buildings, theaters, etc. are located there. It is also a place of artistic culture, such as music, paintings, photography, etc. The scenery of buildings, trees, and seaside is harmonious. The view of Tennoz Isle from Konan is especially spectacular. You can enjoy shopping, events, and seaside views here. Please go to the Tennoz Isle. Isle Tennoz.